How I trained my brain to think in English. Hello, friends. Do you ever start a sentence in English, but your mind is still working in your mother tongue? I know you try to translate every word, but by the time you finish thinking, the moment is already gone and you get stuck, feel frustrated, right? Well, I used to be in the exact same situation, but in today's video, I am going to share with you few tips and tricks what I used to follow to train my brain to think in English. Now I think in English, I speak spontaneously without translating from my native language to English. Okay. Well, why thinking in English is very important, because everybody knows that when you translate and speak, then you fumble, you take pauses, you get nervous, and nobody loves talking to the person who is nervous, who feels down, right? So everybody likes talking to a person who is confident, daring, courageous. Okay, so if you will start thinking only in English, then you will be able to speak directly in English, and the day is not so far. One day you will achieve your desired fluency. First method is thinking challenge. Okay, set a timer for 5 minutes and choose any of your favorite topics as per your choice, like traveling, sport, hobbies, whatever you want, and think only in English without bothering about mistakes, grammatical mistakes. I know when you will do it initially for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, then you will feel literally awkward. You would think, oh my god, what I am doing, this is not working, like that. But believe me, gradually you will start improving day by day, and the day will come automatically. You will start thinking in English, and if you can think directly in English, then it's very easy to speak only in English. Now the second tip is that second tip is very important for me. Like a speaking challenge. When you turn on your mobile camera and speak at least for 2 minutes without taking breaks. You can just take a few short breaks, like 2 3 4 breaks, and 2 minutes start speaking spontaneously, choosing any of your favorite topic. And but before speaking, don't bother about grammatical mistakes, because you are targeting here to be fluent, not on perfection, right? Well, friends, these are the techniques I used to follow. But in the end, the last technique I want to tell you is listening. Wherever you go, in metro, bus, for a morning walk, use earbuds and listen only English audio books, audio songs in English, and whatever you listen, that would be only in English. Then believe me, by doing these techniques for a month, you will see amazing results, and automatically word will come in your mind, and you will start speaking in English. Okay, but in the end of the video, I want to tell you, it's not overnight success. Okay, it's all about practicing. You will have to train your mind to think in English. At least just be consistent and keep practicing. I hope, guys, you like this video, and if you really feel this video is little bit helpful for you, then don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. I haven't scripted anything. I am speaking directly from my heart, so I may make any mistakes, but please forgive me if I made any kind of mistakes. Okay, so thank you so much, and keep watching, and comment me below what are the things that stops you from speaking. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.